time to play. Oh, Chica Chick was excited. She was going to visit our market nearby all by himself. And had asked her to buy 1 tomato and 2 avocados. On her way there, Chica Chick skipped and said 1 tomato and 2 avocados. Soon she saw her friend Rabbit. Would you like to play hopscotch? Rabbit asked. And I'm going to the market, said Chica Chick. Walk and sing 1 tomato and 2 avocados. She saw her friend the chipmunks. Like to jump rope? They asked. I'm going to the market, said Chica Chick. Tomato and 2 avocados. When she arrived at the market, Miss Owl greeted her. Hi, Chica Chick, what would you like? Tomato and 2 avocados, she said. I will hand her 1 tomato and 2 avocados. She paid for her grand, put them into her bag, and skipped back home. You, Grandma Hen said when Chica Chick came in. You're a great helper. Do you want to help cook too? Chick thought for a minute. I've helped her grandma, but she also loved playing with her friends. Finally, she said, may I go play? Yes, you can go play, said Grandma Hen. You already helped me a lot, said Chica Chick as she ran outside to play with her friends.